Karnataka. This opportunity.
Welcome to Karnataka and welcome to India.
CII works right from city level. So we have our own team of people employed by CII right at city level to state level, and region as a cluster, and then national level. So this year we are celebrating India at 75. So we got the entire Azadi Ka Mahotsav program. Tomorrow in programs there. We look forward to seeing you there as well. We are keeping in mind where the economy is, the theme that we have chosen is competitiveness, growth, sustainability. So as 10 centers of excellence, one is on water, one is on green building, quality, one for MSMEs. So different centers that come to help industry and members also. So the theme in these 4 areas is really beyond India at 75. Focusing for the next 25 years and what we can do.
Successful which you are. It's not only the government, the entire ecosystem works. So I have to give credit to all the people involved in the sector.
It was a courtesy meeting with the Chief Minister. It was about trying to understand what his priorities are and how, as CII, we can support the state in overcoming those priorities. The Chief Minister took us through a whole set of initiatives that the state is working on. This is one of the most progressive states in the country. It's digitally first, it's a tech hub, and a number of initiatives were discussed, including where all CII can get involved in. And this is something that we will in detail take forward with the state officials.